Hello everyone, welcome to sanamtutorial. Today we are going to solve mock test 8 for class 6 mathematics annual exam 2024-25. This mock test is based on the chapter percentage and its application. If you have been following my channel, you know we have already completed mock test 1 to 7 on other important chapter. If you have not watched those 8, check them out in the playlist. Now let us start the session. First question, convert into percentage. Okay, we know that when we convert into percentage means we multiply 100. So first of all write down one number. 12 whole 1 by 2 means we can write in improper fraction, that is 12 2 ja 24 1 25, that is 25 divided by 2. When you convert into percentage, then we multiply 100. Now 2 in cancel, that is 50, to 1 ja 25, 5 ja 125, 0 percentage. Clear? Next question. So answer is 1250 percentage. What percentage of half dozen? So we know that 1 dozen is 12 pieces and the half dozen is 6 pieces. Yes or no? Of 1 score. Okay, 1 score means 20 pieces. When you convert it into percentage means multiply, that is 100. So multiply 100. Now 25 ja 100, 6 5 ja 30%. So answer is 30%. Option number 3. Next question. 33 whole 1 by 3% of 1 whole 1 by 2 hour is equal to dash. Okay. So first we can write 33 whole 1 by 3 means 100 by 3, because 33 3 is 99 plus 1. That is 100. 100 by 3 percentage of means into 1 whole 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 hour. Now 100 by 3 we can write 100 by 300 percentage, because percentage means divided by 100. So already 3 is there, that's why 3 into 100, that is 300, into 3 by 2. Now 1 hour, how many minute? That is 60 minute. Now the answer will be in minute. So cancel, 0000 cancel, 3 cancel, 2 30 ja. So answer is 30 minutes. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 0.1 percentage expressed as the decimal. Okay. So we can write 0.1 percentage means divided by 100. When you convert into percentage, then we multiply. If the percentage is given, then we divide 100. Okay. Now we know that 0.1 divided by 100, we can write 1 by 1000, because 0.1 is 1 by 10. Okay, already in denominator, that is 100 into 10, that is 1000, that is 0.001. Or you can solve by trick, that is 0.1 divided by 100. If you divide with 1 and 0, then the only decimal position will be changes. Go to the left side because division. So answer is 0.001, because previously the decimal point is here, now decimal point is here. How many digits? Now 2 digits, because of 20. Clear? Now next question. If you multiply, then the decimal go to the right side. Next. If SP is given, profit is given, find the profit percent. Okay, we know that profit percent is always calculated on CP. Yes or no? Here CP is not given. First of all you find the CP, then calculate. So first write down SP equal to rupees 260. Now profit equal to 60 rupees. Now we can find CP. How? Now we know that if profit, then SP is greater than, so minus, that is SP minus profit, that is 260 minus 60, that is 200 rupees. Now we can find profit percent. So profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Yes or no? Now put the value, that is P equal to 60 divided by 200 into 100. So 100 2 ja 200, 2 30 ja 60. So answer is 30%. All of you clear? Now next question. Only the deposit means principal. So write down principal equal to rupees 5,000, which pay her rate of interest is given. So write down R equal to 5-fold 1/2 percentage per annum, or you can write 11/2 percentage when you convert it into improper fraction. After 3 years, 3 years means time. So time period equal to 3 years. Now find the simple interest, because we know that simple interest formula is PTR by 100. PTR by 100, P equal to 5,000, T equal to 3 and R equal to 11/2. So we can write only 11 divided by 100 into 2. Okay, now cancel 0000 cancel to 25. So 25 3 ja 75 into 11. So multiply 75 75. So 5 12 carry 1 8. So answer is 825 rupees as simple interest. But after 3 years he withdraw. Withdraw means from amount. So first of all we find the amount. So amount is equal to P plus SI formula. So put the value P equal to 5,000 plus 825 is equal to how much? 5, 2, 8 and 5. So amount equal to 5,825. Now she withdraw to buy the cycle. So write down cost of cycle equal to 4,600 rupees. So now money left on her bank, on her bank, money left with her equal to amount minus withdraw amount. That is amount is 5,825 minus 4,600. So subtract, that is minus 2, 2, here is 1. So answer is 1,225 rupees. Okay, next question. The cost price of 20 article. Okay, we can write according to question 20 CP or cost price of 20 article is equal to selling price of 16, that is 16 SP. Now CP is equal to 16 divided by 20, because here is multiply. When go to the right side it will be divided. So SP. Now we can write CP equal to 8 by 10, or simply let SP be 100 rupees. So tell me what is CP? Now CP is 16 by 20 into 100. So 25 ja 100, 16 5 ja 80. How I let the SP equal to 100? Now because the multiple of 20, you can either take SP as 80 or 40, okay, or 20 multiple. Then you can also get the answer. So now CP equal to how much? 90 rupees. So tell me profit or loss. Now CP equal to 80 rupees and SP equal to 100 rupees. So profit. So write down profit is equal to SP minus CP. So SP equal to 100 minus 80 rupees, that is 20 rupees. So tell me what is profit percentage? So profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Now profit equal to 20 divided by 100 into 100. So 100 cancel. Sorry, 20 divided by CP, that is 80. So 0 cancel, 2 4 ja, 4 25 ja. So answer is 25%. All of you understand? Now next question. The article are bought at rupees 45 per dozen. Okay, so we can write CP, bought means CP. So CP of 1 dozen article, 1 dozen article equal to 45 rupees. So we can write CP of 1 article, that is 45 divided by 12, because 1 dozen equal to 12 piece. Okay, so equal to how much? Now 12 3 ja 36, 12 7 5. So answer is 3 rupees 75 paisa. You can divide 45 with 12. So 12 3 ja 36. Here is 9 and decimal, that is 0. 12 7 ja 84, that is 6. 60. So 12 5 ja 60, that is 3 rupees 75 paisa. Similarly, you can write SP of 1 score, or you can write 20 pieces. 20 pieces equal to rupees 80. So first of all, find out SP of 1 article. How we find 1 article? Because we know SP or CP always calculate the same number. Okay, that's why we convert into 1 article. So SP of 1 article is equal to 80 divided by 20. So 85, not 80. 85 divided by 20. So 85 divided by 20, 4 ja 80, 0 5 50, 20 2 ja 40, 5 ja. So 4 rupees 25 paisa. Now tell me, now profit or loss? Now SP is 4 rupees 25 paisa, CP is 3 rupees 75 paisa. So obviously profit, because SP is greater than. So profit equal to SP minus CP, that is 4.25 minus 3.75, that is 0.50. Now calculate profit percentage equal to profit, that is 0.50 divided by CP, that is 3.75 into 100. So calculate 0.50, 3.75. If numerator and denominator are equal number of decimal, that is 0.50 means 2 decimal, here also 2 decimal, then we can also write single number, that is 50, but only write the number, that is 50 divided by 375 into 100. How? Now we know 0.50 we can write 50 by 100, yes or no? And 3.75 we can write 375 divided by 100. We know if the two fractions are divided, then we multiply, that is 50 by 100 into, it will be reciprocal, that is 100 by 375. That's why cancel. Okay, now cancel. 25 2 ja 50, 25 1 ja 25, 5 ja 5 3 ja 15, 5 20 ja. So answer is 40 by 3 percentage, or 13 whole 1 by 3 percentage. Now next question. completed. I hope this session helped you understand the chapter better. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. For PDF and updates, join my Telegram or WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for your annual exam.